Hey everybody, it's Susan again. Yeah, so Bob got the little kitten out, as y'all saw, and that upload that's still uploading, as a matter of fact. It came out and had a bite to eat. It's, I don't know, it's kind of like, all right, let me just put it this way. It's sneezing and having a kind of a gruffness in its breath is the best. It's symptomatic of maybe a respiratory infection. This is azithromycin, which is for when Ginger Snap had hers with the very same symptoms. And because we are rescuers and know what we're doing, drop the syringe. It's not a needle syringe. It's a, okay. So the boss, if he can get his hands back on the baby, is going to give it a dose. Okay, baby, see this red line here? Mm-hmm. That's the proper, it needs to be drawn up that far. Okay. Here's the, I'm shooting your crotch. Let me shake it. It's liquid and it's been sitting for a little bit. So, y'all, the boss is better at giving meds than I am. I'm really bad if it's in pill form. Oh my goodness. I go through lots of trouble to, like some of the worming medicine for the adult cats is in pill form, and I just can't get it down them, even though I've practiced the technique. So, see if I can get a hold of him. Okay, I'll hold this syringe. Come on, baby. Come on, darling. It doesn't help that baby Dumpling's meowing away on the other side of the door. Come on, little kitty. Come on, kitty. Okay. Got it? Be careful. Be careful of those. You want to screw. Okay. Come on, baby. Take some medicine. Okay. Yeah, y'all hear that little sound it's making? Kind of a...
Sounds like a fur ball.
Okay. Well, the thing is that the antibiotic won't hurt it at all. But the sneezing was the... okay.
Yeah, I think it's a male.
Oh, I hope it's a male. Please, good Lord above, let it be a male. All right, baby. Thank you. Give us a kiss. Mwah. My hero. As always, Bob the Boss is the hero when it comes to the kitties. All right, there's Tommy Two-Tone, Stray Kitty, Tuffy Muffy. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. This has been Susan and Bob, Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. We love you.